Hi guys, so just I received this cute little bag from Kama Ayurveda. Thank you so much Kama Ayurveda for sending me this cute little bag. So let's check out what's inside in this bag. Let's check out what's inside this cute little pouch. Oh my god, there are loads of stuff to explore. So first I got this skin brightening treatment Nal Parmadi Thailam. The second one I got The second one I got in this pouch is this Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub, and then I got this cute little bottle of Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I just love their rose water. It really feels fresh on the skin and helps in maintaining my skin pH level and also tightens the pores. The next product I got in this pouch is this retexturing skin treatment Juili, and the last product I got is this Kama Ayurveda intensive hair treatment Bringadi. I have their bigger size one bottle. I use this hair oil regularly and it's really repairing my all damaged hair. So I'm so excited to try out all of these products. If you want to buy this product, these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Myntra, so you can check out and buy product for yourself. And one thing I just love this brand because their products are Ayurvedic and the results of these products are pretty amazing, and it has a huge variety of skincare and hair care products. So going to try all of this and will keep posting my reviews on these products. Truly love these products so much guys. You should definitely try out for yourself. And that's about it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. So stay happy, stay subscribed, take care, bye.